In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time with Clockify Chrome Extension. We'll walk through installing the extension, signing in, starting and stopping timers, using it directly inside popular websites, making quick edits, checking your reports, and dialing in a few helpful settings so your tracking stays accurate and effortless. First, let's get the extension installed. Open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Clockify Time Tracker. When you see the official Clockify Time Tracker extension, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. After a moment, the Clockify icon will appear in your browser toolbar, which means it's ready to use. Next, log into your account, click the Clockify icon in the toolbar, then sign in with your credentials. As soon as you're in, your data will sync automatically, so any projects or tasks you've set up on the web app will be available in the extension. Now let's start tracking time. Click the Clockify extension icon and type what you're working on. For example, editing YouTube video. Choose the relevant project and add a task if you have one. Projects help you organize by client or initiative, and tasks let you get more granular when you need it. When everything looks good, click Start. The timer begins immediately, and you'll see it counting up, so you always know what's running. When you're finished, stop the timer. Click the extension again and hit Stop. That entry is saved automatically, including the description, project, and any task you selected. Keeping a habit of stopping the timer as soon as you're done helps maintain clean, accurate records. Clockify also works directly inside popular tools like Trello, Asana, Notion, and Gmail. When you open those sites, you'll notice a Start Timer button built right into the interface. Click Start Timer next to a specific card, task, or email, and Clockify will auto-fill the entry with the item's title. It's fast, consistent, and especially handy if you manage lots of tasks during the day. If you need to adjust anything, you can edit your time entries from the extension, open it, review your recent entries, and update the duration, task, or project. This is perfect for fixing typos or tightening up entries, so your totals stay reliable. To analyze your work, open the web app from the extension and go to Reports. Here you can review how your time is distributed, spot trends, and share insights with your team or clients. Finally, check out a few useful settings. Enable Auto Start Timer to kick off your day smoothly, set a default project to save clicks, and turn on notifications or reminders so you never forget to track.